What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here in Hobby Lobby and I haven't been in here for a while, but they have tons of fall and Christmas decor. I didn't really want to spend too much time on anything in particular. I just wanted to do kind of an old school walkthrough and just show you guys the abundance of Christmas items that they have out. If you guys are watching this in the fall or if you're watching this in the winter, just know that Hobby Lobby always has lots of great deals on their holiday decor and a really huge variety of everything from basics to garlands. I'm not really seeing many sales right now, but once the season is actually here, they will have an abundance of sales going on. So we're just going to kind of walk the aisles and I'm just going to show you guys some of what they have. As we get closer to Christmas, you guys can just kind of let me know what you want me to spend more time on. But we'll call this sort of a Christmas 2018 sneak peek. Ooh, this is a really pretty wreath, you guys. $129. Wow, I really like the light green here. The ribbon. It's beautiful. They have some flocked wreaths too. You guys, and aisles of Christmas stuff already. You know how they do it here. And this is a fun chance for me to take the time and get a sneak peek at some Christmas items as well. We have a whole lot to look at, you guys. They have some Merry Christmas pillows. Maybe you guys can get some inspiration from this walkthrough as far as what's available, what colors you want to go with, what's trending for this Christmas season. Ooh, these are so pretty. $7.99 candle holders. Wow, you guys, they even have some Christmas end caps. They even have ornaments up here, the shatterproof ornaments. Oh, this is cute. It's a little metal box. $19.99. Oh, these are so cute. These are currently $19.99. Merry Christmas, y'all. That favorite red truck that we all love. Dear Santa, can we negotiate? Dear Santa, define good. Santa, stop here. It's beginning to cost a lot like Christmas. I like how they use the pom-poms. This house is under elf surveillance. That is cute. Our house is under elf surveillance. We always invite Xander, our elf on the shelf, to come out. Usually around Thanksgiving. Merry Grinchmas and Happy New Year. That is so cute. Ooh, look you guys. We have some non-traditional Christmas colors over here. And some cute signs up there. Lots of pinks and purples and greens. Baking spirits bright. I like that. Aw, hot chocolate and marshmallows. Keep warm and drink hot chocolate. Christmas blend hot cocoa served here. How cute. 1 day of coal, 364 days of fun. I'll take my chances. Baby, it's cold outside. Warm up here. That is so cute. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. I thought we were going to see a love in here, but just hope and joy. I think these are little towels. I love cocoa. They have the big baskets up there.
Best to the front, please. Best to the front.
We have some dishes over here. Some placemats. These are metal. Little coasters. I love this little red truck. Still love it. 'Tis the season. Very pretty. The huge rolls of deco mesh ribbon. We have some blues, the black and white, the brown and white. These are $9.99 right now. They even have the black and red. The smaller ones are $7.99 right now. They will be on sale, you guys. So start your wish list. Ooh, these are beautiful. Hey you guys, we're gonna stop right here. I'm gonna film another Christmas video for you guys, and I'm gonna continue to give you a preview of what's to come for Christmas 2018 here in Hobby Lobby. So you guys, please be sure to check out my Christmas playlist. If you are planning already, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and also to leave me a comment down below. Alright you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for coming along on the shop with me here in Hobby Lobby, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!